Alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with this beautiful place, beautiful masjid, our Al-Hijrah Islamic Center. We are, inshallah, looking forward to make some renovations, to expand this masjid, to expand our facility, to make it beneficial for each and every member of our household. We are calling it Renovations for Generations. Inshallah ta'ala, the renovations that we are planning to do is to make the masjid larger, to expand, to make it comfortable for our sisters that they come and then they pray with their children, to make it open and wide so our children can come and play inside and get the feeling that this is their home, they belong here. Create that love and compassion for them in this masjid. My brothers and sisters, let us do Renovations for Generation. Support the Al-Hijrah Islamic Center, donate, and inshallah, let us make this masjid beautiful, big, accommodating for each and every member of our society, of our home, our families. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from us. Assalamu alaikum.